Hello, guys. We're gonna be pranking my part of my family, Uncle Pat. Welcome to Oliver's prank show. He's coming.
Oh, dinner was so good. I can't wait to get a beer after dinner. Just like Oliver said. Oh, dang it! Great, holy moly!
Got you! Got you!
What?
It's a
I don't know who I'm beating up first, you or that stupid Kyle.
It's my, Kyle gave me that wooden
I'm
snake.
gonna beat you with this, child.
It was a prank, Uncle Pat.
I got
Real
it.
snake.
We recorded the
Thanks
whole
for clearing that up.
Everybody's gonna see this.
You wascally
Bye,
wabbit.
God. We're gonna keep recording and get wages.
Get what?
Keep recording until you wait.
Till I
Wage.
rage?
Yeah.
And crash out.
Oh yeah, I'm not gonna do that, dude.
Whoa, but you
Really?
passed out one.
Hope your battery's charged.
All right, grab your stuff. Time
Okay.
to go home. Stop.
Bye, guys. Hope you enjoyed that. Did you hear that?
I did. I was standing outside when you
Okay.
did it.
Bye. Bye. Wait, Mom. Say hi to YouTube. Say hi to YouTube.
Hi, YouTube.
She's my mom, and my dad is in.
You should go
his
find
bed.
your dad.
Bye,
Make sure you
guys.
send that video to me.
You made him bleed.
Oh no! Look at, take a picture of Uncle Pat. That's what you did to him.
You made
Bye,
him
guys.
bleed. Oh, God.